Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk coming to you from fabulous Las Vegas. I'm on the Las Vegas Strip right now. Just checked into the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. Kind of like my home base for the week. I got some comp rooms across the street. Gonna check out a few places this week, but this is kind of like where I can hang my hat if I have to. And it's a nice room. It's a Flamingo King, non-smoking, with a nice view of the high roller in the back. I don't know if you can see it or not, and the swimming pool down there. Flamingo has a pretty nice pool too. But I'm all unpacked, and that can only mean one thing. I'm getting ready to do my CVS or Walgreens run to stock up on snacks and adult beverages and water for the week here in Las Vegas. So I believe there's a CVS right up the street from here by Horseshoe, what used to be Bally's. And like I said, I'm going to go downstairs, bring you guys along with me. Let's go do a little shopping and stock up on some goodies for the week, shall we? So today's CVS run is a little ambitious. I bought both luggage with me. I plan on bringing back 2 gallons of water, which I usually do 1 gallon at a time, but I'm going to try to bring back 2 gallons of water, some adult beverages, some chips and some snacks and candy and stuff like that. The cool thing about the Flamingo is they have a empty refrigerator, so I don't have to do my makeshift insulated bag with ice kind of refrigerator. I already have everything all set up for keeping water cold and adult beverages cold as well. So that's the cool thing about the Flamingo. Not too many hotels on the Las Vegas Strip have empty refrigerators in the room. This front desk line is getting longer and longer, and it's early evening now, and it's not letting up at all. And I guess the secret is to just do a check-in when you're home, which is what I did. I did it on the East Coast, and when I got here, all I needed was my driver's license, a credit card. I went to a kiosk, and boom, checked in. So between us and the CVS store I want to visit comes the Cromwell and the newly rebranded Horseshoe. And last time I was here, it was a mess in front of the Horseshoe. Dying to see what it looks like right now. I imagine things are pretty much done. Escalator's broke and I've got luggage, so I gotta take the elevator.
This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
I thought they were done with all the scaffolding stuff already. The construction seems to be going on here forever. You wouldn't think it was a rebranding, but they were actually building a brand new hotel and casino. And now they have that other tower that they want to turn from the old Bally's into Paris, which is right here. So this is going to be going on for a while. The CVS we're heading into is right around the corner here. One of the first things I do when I do these runs, regardless of what city I'm in, is the first thing I do when I get into the store is I look for a manager or a member of security just to let them know what my intention is. I mean, I'm going to be going up and down these aisles shoving product into an empty suitcase, so they should know what I'm up to. It's as simple as approaching them and saying, hey, I got some empty luggage here. I'm going to be going up and down your aisles, putting product in the luggage. I will check out and bring it back to my hotel room, just so they know what's going on. There's usually a front-end manager as soon as you walk into the building. $10.49 for a Vegas girl on the strip. I thought they were cheaper than that. If I get one more refrigerator magnet, I'm gonna wake up one morning and find my refrigerator attached to my car in the driveway. So I got my pirate booty for the week here at CVS. I picked up some water, 2 gallons of water as a matter of fact, and I'm sure I'll go through that in a week. I picked up some adult beverages, some chips, some cookies, just stuff to snack on when I'm in the room. Not a lot of stuff, but if I run out, of course, I could always get some more. But I'm gonna head back to the room now. Come along with me. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And a couple of super thanks shout-outs here. Glass Shard Films, Mary Healthhouse, and Richard Hales. Thank you so much, guys, for your super thanks. I really do appreciate your support of the New York channel. Just click on that thanks button below the video and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video as well. This luggage was a lot easier pulling around going than coming. Hold on tight. While editing this video, I realized this was a very productive Las Vegas trip. Not only did I get the usual sights and sounds and hotels and casinos on the Las Vegas Strip, but a lot of places off-strip, a lot of local hotels and casinos, and I also visited downtown and got a lot of stuff down there as well, including the Mob Museum and all the stuff going on at the plaza. That's all coming up here on the New York channel. Home again. I think I'll head back up to my room, have a little snack, fix myself a little cocktail, and head back out on the strip and do some exploring. Well, it looks like that line's gone down a little bit. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little CVS run. I pretty much picked up everything I need for the week. Again, if I need something else, I'll just pick it up while I'm out on the strip. It's been a very busy travel day, from the East Coast to the West Coast, to renting a car, to checking in, to getting the snacks, and I'm gonna, like I said, relax a little bit and head back out on the strip and do some more work. So stay tuned to the New York channel, guys. Lots more coming from Las Vegas.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.